Hello, lovely people. Thank you so much for tuning in. And to those who don't know me, I am Viral Soni and I help real estate agents to make more money with generating leads for them, but not how you may think. Okay, so before we get started, if you are a real estate agent who is serious about the business and if you're looking to get more leads for your business, I invite you to visit my site leadgetter.co, leadgator.co. It's only co, it's not com, it's co. Okay, and there you will find some cool info about how you can use Facebook to sell twice the homes you sold in the last 12 months. Okay, and below that, if you there is a tiny form. If you want me and my team to help you out, you can fill that tiny form and we'll be helping you out. Okay, else you can use that information for yourself. So let's move to the topic. And before we get started, once again, I wish you all a very, very happy Navratri. You can see that I have got the Tika, and we just completed the Navratri Sthapna Puja. Okay, and I hope that you will also be enjoying this Navratra, and Ma Durga help you, May Durga bless you, and may Ma Durga bring all the joy and prosperity to yourself and to your family. Okay, so let's get started. As the question I have posted in the description, many real estate agents ask me that, hey Viral, how can I make sure that I am deeply remembered by my clients or customers? How can I make sure that I can help them? How can I make sure that I can actually make a real impact in their lives? Okay, and how you can do that is can be summed up in a really simple simple fundamental. Okay, and we call it going the extra mile. If you are doing something extra for your clients, for your customers, and even for your prospects, it can pay you multiple times. Okay, and for that, to make that point, I have got a very cool story for you people, and I will share it with you within a minute. And before I forget, once again I invite you to visit my site leadgetter.co, leadgator.co, and see that how you can use Facebook to sell twice the homes you sold in the last 12 months. Okay, so here's the story. Here's how it goes. So there was a man, and he was tasked to color a boat, to paint a boat red. Okay, and he's got a little gig and he needed to paint the boat red. Okay, and when he was painting the boat, he saw that there is a tiny hole in the boat. So what he did is he painted the boat red, and at the same time he also filled that hole which was in the boat. Okay, and that was so tiny thing for him that he did not even mention, and he went to the boat's owner and he showed that he has painted the boat, and the owner paid him what they decided. Okay, and everything just passed by. It was just an everyday for both of them. Now what happens is, 2 days later, the owner of the boat comes running to that painter who painted that boat red. Okay, and he hands out a $10,000 check to that person, to that painter, and the painter was was in awe that why he's already got paid, and there was like he's painted for everything that he did. Okay, the painting job was not that much costly, and he has been all paid already, so why that extra $10,000? And this is what the boat owner said to him. He said to him that there was a hole in the boat which he knew about it, but he forgot to mention to the painter to have it filled up, have it repaired. Okay, and as he did not ask, so he thought that it must be there, it might be there. And what happens is that after 2 days of traveling, when he reached home, he came to know from his wife that his kids have gone fishing and in that boat. Okay, so that was like literally a heart attack for the owner of the boat, because he knew that there is a hole in the boat which can like literally, and that is going to sink the boat at any moment. Okay, and he was very afraid that he may not even see his kids ever again in his life. Maybe they're dead because they must be sunk. Okay, then when he went to the riverside, the riverside, okay, and he was like running frantically, and then what, to his excitement and to his happiness, what he saw is that his kids are returning from the site with a bunch of fishes. And they were also like praising the boat painter that the color is very good and it was painted nicely and things like that, blah blah, and many things like that. Okay, and that was sigh of relief for that boat owner, because he knew that there was a hole and his kids could be saved, because the painter decided to go that extra mile of repairing that hole. Okay, and this $10,000 was not for painting the boat, it was for saving his children's lives. Okay, now you can see that if that boat painter had not gone an extra mile, that person had lost his kids. And because he went extra mile, that's why that boat owner's life was hugely impacted, and that was type of an impact he will never ever forget in his life. And that is a kind of lesson he'll be very happy, be very proud to share with his kids. Okay, so this is how you can make an impact in your client's life. Okay, and before I forget, I invite you to visit my website leadgetter.co and learn how you can sell twice the homes you sold in last 12 months with Facebook ads. Okay, and to wrap this thing up, if you are the type of a person who wants to impact your clients, your prospects, your customers' lives for the better, what you need to do is, you do not need to invest a lot of money, you do not need to be fancy, you do not need to learn fancy stuff to talk about, and you can just be a regular person, but a person who goes an extra mile for your clients. If you're that type of person, you can impact your clients and your customers for life. Okay, and they will be your clients and customers for their lives to come. Okay, and this was it from my side. And go to leadgetter.co and learn how you can use Facebook ads to sell twice the homes you sold in last 12 months. That was it from my side, people. And if you have any feedback or any comments, just let me know by commenting. And thank you so much for tuning in. Once again, happy Navratri. See you again. See you later. Bye bye.